Matt Anderson from the Viewfinder Center, and today we've got just a very quick and very simple tip to help you take stronger photos. And the idea is to simply get closer to whatever you're photographing. You could apply this in so many different photography situations, but today we're doing landscape photos. We're on a really nice scenic creek near Tvann, Switzerland, and we found a cute little scene down here by the river. We've got a nice boulder to work with, and we're going to do a couple shots, moving in, getting closer every time, and we'll throw the results up on the screen. Here we go.
Although I've got a nice scene in front of me here, I find that this first shot lacks a real sense of purpose. I was standing at least 4 meters away from the boulder, and my foreground just doesn't seem to stand out from the background. The scene feels rather flat. My next shot is taken much closer, and the scene is starting to take on some depth as I move in. But I still can't appreciate any of the nice little details or texture on that boulder in the foreground. Finally, I'm almost on top of the boulder, and from this close I can really see and appreciate the little details that I was hoping for. At this point it's worth experimenting with the composition, so I'm going to try both some vertical and some horizontal shots before I leave. If you enjoyed that tip, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss the next one, and by the way, check out the summer photo contest that's happening over on the Viewfinder Center Facebook page. We look forward to seeing your shots. Thanks for watching.